Hello, my dear friends, viewers, and learners of banking, foreign exchange, and international trade. I am your host, Mukhtar Ahmed Khan, giving you lecture on finance to exporter, or why the central bank and government try to encourage to exporter to avail export trading. It is here needless to explain because lot of discussion in the past 100 session. This is 158 session or video on foreign exchange, international trade, and foreign exchange encouragement for the international trader who are involved or who are exporting their goods to earn foreign exchange for the country as well as themselves. Okay, I stand before you today to emphasize the critical role of finance in the realm of exporting, as Mukhtar Ahmed Khan rightly point out and explain you the primary goal of exporting is not merely to sell products in the market, international market, but to expand our market reach and enhance profitability in foreign exchange, to boost foreign exchange reserves of the country and the state bank or central bank of the country. In the dynamic world of international trade, financial strategies play a vital role in empowering exporters' access to capital, facilitate production, scalability, technological advancement, and market diversification. By investing in these areas, we not only enhance the quality and the quantity of our products in the international market, but also boost our competitive edge on the global market and global stage. One thing you must remember, the earning in the context of exporting transaction merely revenue generation. It is a strategic imperative that fuel innovation, market penetration, and sustainability growth. Through prudent financial management, we can navigate that fuels. We can navigate currency fluctuation also, manage risk, and optimize the cost of capital thereby ensuring long-term viability and success. If the exporters get concessional rate of export finance, naturally they can able to boost, broaden their export and more to different country to channelize the country foreign exchange incoming remittance and foreign exchange. Furthermore, the quest for foreign currency buyer should be seen as a means to secure stability and diversified revenue stream by tapping into international market and transacting in different currencies. We not only mitigate the impact of domestic economic fluctuation but also capitalize on emerging opportunities in a globalized economy. In conclusion, financial and finance is the lifeblood of successful exporting, enabling us to sell more and more order in foreign currencies buyer. It is not just about earning, but about strategically